What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is David Falla, and today I'm going to show you how to do a traditional barber shave at home. So nice to have you guys here. This video is going to be a little bit different. How you can see, I'm in the bathroom. Sorry about the echo. It's a small bathroom, but I just didn't want the kids to be, be making noise and then you guys could hear them. So I'm trying to hide myself a little bit here in the bathroom. So the reason why I'm doing is because many of you have been asking me to do tutorials about how to cut your own hair, how to shave or shape your beard. And I know barbershops are not gonna be opening for a while, so I wanted to do this video to show you guys how to do a traditional barber shave at home, especially for those like me that have sensitive skin. I cannot just go ahead and just pass the razor and be okay with it, because then my skin will get so irritated and I will get a rash. So for me, when I need to shave, I need to take a couple extra steps, right? So that's what I want to show you guys today. So we're going to need a couple of things for the shave. And when I mean traditional barber shave, it's kind of like that hot towel that when you're done, your skin feels so good, so clean, and you get no irritation, it just feels great. That's what we're gonna go for today. So we're going to need a couple of things. We're going to need a towel, obviously for the hot towel part. We're going to need a trimmer, just because I want to trim down the hair before I shave. And also I might just kind of leave this a little bit, use the goatee and just shave the rest. We'll see. We're also going to need a shaving product, and the reason for it is because you want to use a lubrication product that is going to help the blade to glide nicer on your face, and also it's going to protect your face a little bit from the razor, right? You don't want your face to get irritated, and you don't want to drive shave. That's the number one thing. You do not want to drive shave, because that's going to create a lot of irritation and you might get a rash. So that's extremely important. And last but not least, you're going to need a high quality razor. A high quality razor is extremely important, especially if you have sensitive skin like me. You need a high quality razor that was made for people with sensitive skin. My choice is going to be the Gillette Skin Guard, which is great and is today's video sponsor. So let's go ahead and start. So before I shave, usually what I like to do is to just wash my face. That's, for me, it's extremely important, just because I want to get rid of the oils or dirt or dead skin or whatever you have in your face and your beard. So I usually just wash my face. In this case, I'm just going to use a face wash. And honestly, you don't need much. This is all I'm gonna do. Just apply it all over my face. Let's go ahead and wash our face. Look at this. Okay, so now my face is super clean. I'm going to shape my goatee, because I'm actually gonna keep it, and I'm just gonna shave the sides and the neck so I feel great. So what I'm going to do is very simple. Just create the first line here, then I'm gonna create the outside, so kind of just frame it, and then I'm gonna do the mustache at the end. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I can actually see what I'm gonna keep and what I'm going to shave and get rid of. So now I got two options. I can either go ahead and use the trimmer to trim down the hair, or I could actually go ahead and start shaving right away, which is what I'm going to do, just because my hair is not that long, so I can just go ahead and start shaving. If you have longer hair than mine, then trim it down first, then go ahead and start shaving. I'm going to use a shaving product. I usually just like using a shaving gel, just because it's so much easier for you to see what you're doing, because it's transparent. And that's what I use at the shop when I'm cutting. I like to use something that I can actually see what I'm doing. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply a little bit of it. You don't have to apply that much, just a tiny bit. Something like that will just do fine. Right, and what you wanna do, you wanna massage that product inside your beard, everywhere where you're going to shave. If you have one of those shaving brushes, then that will be great as well. I don't have one here, so we're just going to do this and massage that product really, really well everywhere. Okay, so now we're going to prepare a hot towel. So what we're going to do is going to grab a towel. We got two options as well. We can use the microwave, and I know that's how many people do their hot towels. You just use the microwave. What you do is that you wet the towel, you put it in the microwave for a couple of seconds, maybe 20 seconds if that, and then you apply. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use the hot water in the sink to just do the step. Just make sure the water is really hot, then you wet it really hot, and then you apply. And we're going to apply the hot towel. We want to keep the hot towel for maybe like 10 seconds to whatever, a minute if you want to. Okay. Once that's done, what you're going to do next, you're going to reapply a little bit of shaving product. It's very important that you keep the hair with a lot of lubricant, just because you want to make sure that you have a nice and clean shave, especially if you have sensitive skin. So now we're going to use the Gillette Skin Guard razor. How I said before, I have used it before. It's awesome. For me, it's great just because, how I said, I have sensitive skin. This razor was made for people with sensitive skin, so it actually works wonders. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to start shaving down. I'm going to shave the other side, then I'm going to shave the neck, and then I'm gonna just continue following the lines that I created with the trimmer. One tip that I have is that sometimes you can help the razor by stretching the skin. So something I like to do with my clients or myself, it just kind of stretches the skin, so it makes it much easier for the razor, right? So this is what I do. So this is how it look. I don't know how I feel about the goatee, to be honest with you. I don't know how I feel, because I kind of want to change and kind of want to like just take it off. So I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is what any wise man will do, and I'm gonna call the wife and see what she recommends. So let's go ahead and call the wife. See what she says. Hey babe.
Hello.
Hey babe, what do you think? Should I keep the goatee or just shave everything?
Shave it all off.
Take it all off? Okay, this is gonna be a big change for me. Okay, so the wife is saying to take it all off, so we're going to do that. Okay, babe, thank you. So you guys heard, she said to take it all off, so we're going to do that right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trim it down first with the trimmer, and then I'm just gonna shave it all off. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I'm going to reapply a little bit of shaving product, in this case shaving gel. Okay, and now we're going to shave. Ooh, so I feel different, I feel great, I feel super clean, and this is why it's so important for you to use the right technique when you shave, and also use a high quality razor, like in my case. So now that I'm done shaving, right, and it's very important that, remember, when you use a hot towel to open the pores, you need to close the pores. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab another towel and I'm going to apply cold water. It doesn't have to be freezing water, it just has to be cold enough that you can actually help close the pores. So this is a cold towel, which I'm probably not going to like too much. Ooh. Okay, that's that. And now the last step, very important, you want a aftershave. You're gonna grab an aftershave, right, of your choice, something for sensitive skin as well, and you're gonna apply everywhere. Look at that. Look at that. Feels so clean. I don't remember last time I shaved my beard, but I feel great. I feel like a new man. I feel younger too, which is, it's not bad. It's never bad to look younger. You know what I mean? And that was the shave. So let's recap of what we did today. We actually, the first thing we did, we washed our face, right? We want to remove oils and all that stuff. And then after what we did, we actually trimmed down the beard. If it was long, you want to trim it down before you shave. If not, you can just go ahead and use the razor. Then after that, apply a shaving gel. After the shaving gel, I started shaving. I used my razor, and then after that, we apply a cold towel to close the pores and an after shave, just to make sure that you smell good, and also to make sure everything, the pores are closed and your skin is not gonna have any extra irritation, which I don't, and how I said I usually do, because the other razors will like kind of like irritate my skin a little bit. This one doesn't, so I'm super happy about that. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it's useful. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. And also, I'm going to leave a link in the description with everything that I used today, just in case you're interested in getting either the razor, if you have sensitive skin, or any other products that I use. Everything's going to be in the description. And that's it guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.